Distance healing is the ability to send healing energy to another person in another location. I sit in meditation and I invoke the light of the universe within, and I channel that energy into the recipient. I see the recipient in my mind's eye, and I send the healing energy and light through their body to remove any dark areas. During that time, their body speaks to me and may show me things. This is later confirmed when I communicate with the recipient on what I found. As a healer, I get a very specific read of things in your body that I can then report to you. A person's overall health is made up of mind, body, spirit, and so it is not uncommon for a person to feel physical feelings, to see light, to have visions, and to also have confirmation through my read of what happened during the healing on my end. Many times it correlates to known issues that they already have, either physically or emotionally, that they've been struggling with or working on now. Why does it work? Oh boy. Who knows why it works? I think it has something to do with intention. I liken it to prayer. We don't really know why prayer works either, but we just know that it does. It all has to do with energy.